Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. If you just stumbled upon my channel, welcome. Returning subscribers, welcome as well. If you would do me a favor, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do, and then click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything at all, and all it does is help my channel grow by promoting my content to other YouTubers who have the same interests as you. So the more you promote my channel, the more exposure I get, my channel can grow, and I can keep giving you content like this. Okay, enough of that. I have a couple items to show you, and I probably will append another item at the end of this video because I'm supposedly going to get it in the mail today. And unfortunately, I didn't realize I ordered it in a small and not an extra small. And I ordered it from Nordstrom, and I was just looking at the reviews, and people are saying it ran big too. So I don't think it's going to work out for me, but it should be coming in today's mail. And if it does, I will show it to you and append it on this video later on. And if not, it'll go on next week's purchases video. So something I'm going to show you first is something I got at Marshall's, actually probably about a month and a half or 2 months ago, and it's this purse. And it is a very casual purse. It's nylon, it's a puffy purse. And I switched it out from the cute little basket weave purse that I was using that I got from Stitch Fix. And while I love that little purse, I think it's adorable, it just wasn't practical for my lifestyle because the handle was so small, I couldn't zip things in and out easily. So I'll save that purse for like special occasions like dinner, but for an everyday purse, it just wasn't working for me. So I had this purse and I hadn't used it yet, so I said, why the heck not? And I'll probably wear this for another week or two and then swap out yet to my fall brown purse. But I thought this was cute, and I think this was like 20 bucks or even less at Marshall's. And yeah, so I'm kind of happy with it. It has like a zipper down here on the side if you wanted to put things here on the side. And then of course it just has like an open space here on top where, and I have like a zipper here on the side, and it's just like a big open space on top where I can put my phone, my wallet, etc. So I'm pretty happy with it, and yeah, I've been using this as my purse now for a couple weeks. Okay, next, give me a second and I'll bring over the item that I got. So, White House Black Market. It really hasn't been interesting me that much, mainly because it's mostly work attire. And I'm just at the point now that I'm just not buying blouses and dress pants. And I can't say I'm not buying blazers, but I'm just not buying more formal wear. I'm looking for more casual wear. However, they sent out a coupon, right, for free $30 off. So I decided to get this knit top. This is a navy, and it's like a burgundy stripe. And you can see the stripes pretty much match up. Let's see if they match up here on the side. Yes, they do match up here on the sides. Let's see, make sure the other side too. You don't want a wonky side. They do match up on the sides. This retails for $49.50, but I got $30 off due to the coupon that they sent out to me. Let's read the material on this top. This top is, I have a blank tag. Look at this. Oh, no, that one's blank, but this one isn't. This is made out of 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and the colors are navy and burgundy red. It kind of has more of a boat neck versus crew neck, okay? It's like longer, and it has the balloon sleeves. It has the ribbing here on the cuff, and I will try this on, and I will try and style it for you. The next thing I got is this blazer from Stitch Fix, Freestyle. And I'm not so sure I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to bring down my other blazer and compare it. I was looking for a brownish blazer to go with the pair of brown riding boots that I have to go for the English countryside look. I'm going to try and style this. We're also going to compare it to my other blazer. Is it too similar? And does it give me that English countryside look? All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. First up, I have on the striped top, and originally I was going to try and put a jacket over it, but the jacket that I have is a darker burgundy, and it kind of clashed with this burgundy. This is almost like a deep red and not like, in my opinion, a true burgundy. It has the lower neck, which I appreciate. So I don't really call this a high crew neck. There is a little puff sleeve here. It does have, like I said, the elasticized cuffs and the balloon sleeve. I'll stand back so you can see how long it is. It comes to just below my hips, but that's because I'm a shorty, and I would give it a little front tuck. And I would even wear it with the jeans that I'm wearing today and these Steve Madden flats too. And I think this is how I would wear this top. And it is an extremely comfortable top. I think it's an elevated t-shirt, and it's great for my work at home attire. And for the price of $19.50, because I had that coupon, I think it was well worth to add to my wardrobe. And yeah, keeping the top, White House Black Market, and this is my typical size, extra small. So I would say it fits and fits well. All right, give me a minute and I'll try and style the blazer. Next up is the Stitch Fix blazer. It's a Stitch Fix exclusive that I think it was like $66 by Violets and Roses. And I'll put the links down below where I can. This is 63% polyester, 33% rayon, and 4% spandex. My idea is I wanted that English countryside look because I have these brown Coach riding boots that have been sitting in the back of my closet a couple of years, and I do love this kind of look. I love the boots, the traditional riding boots tucked into a pair. These are a pair straight, but a slim straight jean, and dark wash by Just Black USA. I have a brown turtleneck that I think I got this from a JB Style box, I want to say, years ago. And the blazer. Now, while I love this look, my fear is that, it's no fear. My blazer is entirely too small. I mean, it's too small when I bend my arms. It's too small, I can't even do this. And I can't even button it. This is just entirely too small in my normal size, extra small. So my question for you, should I go up a size, or should I just return it all together and look for something that epitomizes more of that English countryside? I'm obviously wearing this dark chocolate brown blazer, shirt underneath, not like one that quite matches the riding boots. Maybe I should be going for an ivory shirt underneath anyway. Let me come a little closer so you can see the print in the blazer. It's more of like a taupe, and then there's navy, and there is a small stripe of brown running through, and of course there's black in it as well. All right, can you see the brown right there? So I'm thinking of returning it all together and holding out for something that epitomizes English countryside a little bit more. All right, well, that is it, and hopefully I'll get that item in the mail today, and you'll see it appended to this. Here I am again. So my Nordstrom delivery came, and I have not tried it on yet, but it looks like it might be too big. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Maybe it will work out. So this was part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It's by Halogen. It was marked down to $44.50. I guess people returned it. It has the square neck. It's kind of like a vest, but it's like a longer line vest. And it's a ponte knit, so it's not like a stiff material. The shell, or the outside, is 68% rayon, 28% nylon, and 4% spandex. And of course, it is lined with 100% polyester. These real or fake. There are fake pockets here in front, and there are buttons down the front. So let me pop this on, try this on, and see if this will work for me. Give me a minute. So much for this being too big. I think it might actually be too small. I'm going to look back at the footage, but I think I might actually have some gapping here in the front, and a little bit of pulling, if you can see that. I'm going to look back at the footage to see whether or not this is something I'm going to want to keep. You guys could also let me know in your comments below. Should I just return it? I thought it was different and unique and something I can add to my wardrobe, because yeah, I have some vests, but they're the traditional like man-tailored vests. I got two of them. One from beige, more of a summery one from Ever Eve, and then a navy one by Liverpool. And then I also have a long line one. But this was something I thought quite different and unique, and nothing like I actually had. But if it's not looking good on me, I'll return it. Here is the back of it. And yeah, I'm surprised. Everybody online said it ran large, and I ended up, I'm pretty sure I ordered this in a size small versus my usual extra small. And I don't find it running big at all. Matter of fact, here are the armpits. I think it's fine there. I don't think it shows cleavage. I just think it just might be a tad too tight across the bust. And yeah, All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.